Right, students, so let's continue the next part of this chapter Boli by K.A. Abbas. In the previous video module, we have learnt that finally Ramlal that he took Boli to school, though she was not ready. And before going to school, that he told his wife that what you do, that you give Boli some decent clothes to wear. Because what the school teachers and other girls would think about us, about our status when they would see Boli, when they would look at her. So for the first time, Boli that got the new clothes, because new clothes had not been made for Boli. Only the old dresses or the old clothes of her sisters had been passed on to her, Boli. So then Boli was bathed finally and oil was rubbed into her dry and matted hair. That time Boli, that he believed that he was being taken to a better place than home when all these things took place. Next, when they reached to school, that time both Ramlal and Boli, that time the children that they were already in their classrooms, and Ramlal, he handed over Boli to the headmistress and he left alone. Ramlal left now the school. Now the Boli was alone in school. So she was frightened. She looked at the headmistress. She looked with fear-laden eyes. Fear-laden means she was frightened, scared, that she looked at the headmistress, and she also noticed that there were several rooms, and every room, each and every classrooms that the girls that they were seated, it means squatted on mats. Squatted means sat on mats. The girls, few girls that they were reading from the books, few they were writing on the slates, all these things, reading and writing. And then what headmistress said, headmistress asked Boli to sit in a corner in one of the classrooms. Headmistress asked Boli. So then Boli did not know what a school was like here, and what happened there. In school means what, and what happened there, she didn't know Boli. But she was glad in the sense that she was glad to find the girls of the same age, of Boli's age. So that is why Boli was glad of all the girls that they were of the same age. And she hoped that here I might become or get some friends, because so many girls of her age, so that is why she hoped that one of these girls might become her friends. Boli hoped that. So that is why somewhat she was glad, she was happy. Then finally she noticed that lady teacher, that she was saying something to other girls, but Boli, she could understand nothing. That was the first day in school. Such was the situation, bewildered, confused situation she had. Boli. She could understand nothing. So then, what happened? When Boli was looking all these things, she looked on the wall of the classroom, especially different pictures, various pictures on the wall that she noticed, and Boli was fascinated by the pictures, especially the colorful pictures. She was attracted by the pictures, and she noticed there were different pictures of the horses, goats, or all these things. And she saw the picture of a horse. That picture of a horse, the horse that was brown in that picture, and just like the same horse on which the Tahsildar had come to their village. Just like the same horse in that picture on which the Tahsildar had come. The color was same. Next, then another picture Boli noticed, that was the goat, and the goat was in black colors, like the goat who was in her neighbor's goat, that is black color. Next, then she noticed, then she saw the picture, that is the parrot. Parrot was in green color, that picture, and that parrot was the same which she had seen in her mango orchard. Mango orchard means mango garden, orchard garden, which she had seen the parrots, and the color was same, green color. Next, then she noticed, she saw the picture of a cow, and that was like her old cow Lakshmi, which had been turned out of the house and then sold, right? Then she compared that picture to her old cow Lakshmi. So then when Boli was busy in all these things, that time she suddenly noticed, Boli noticed that somebody or the teacher, she was standing by her side, and the teacher was smiling at her. Boli noticed. Then the teacher asked, "What is your name, little one?" Teacher asked to Boli. Then when Boli was giving answer, what? Because we know that she used to stammer. She stammered while speaking. So that's why she could not speak her name clearly. How she started? Bo. In this way, Boli started. She could not speak clearly. And she could not could not speak her own name. So that is why what happened? Boli started crying. She began to cry. And the tears began to flow from her eyes. And she looked downstairs. Sat in a corner. She was not there. She did not dare to look up. And she knew. Who knew? Boli knew that other girls, that they were laughing at her. The way she said, she could not speak her own name. Could not utter her own name. So that is why she did not dare to look at the girls or to look up. In this way, Boli, first time this was the condition of Boli when the teacher asked her name, that she could not speak her own name due to her stammering. And that was the first day, and she was fear-laden. She was frightened due to the new atmosphere, school, new teachers, new surroundings, all the girls in one classroom. First time that she was in that atmosphere, so that is why Boli was scared and stammering the next thing, right? So up to this one that we have discussed here, rest of the part that we will continue in the next video module. Thank you.